how to copy, link or get QR code for previous quick share files on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connect Devices. After click on Connect Devices, click on Quick Share. After click on Quick Share, scroll down and click on Link Sharing History. After click on Link Sharing History, your history is showing here. So if you want to copy link or get QR code and previous quick share, so click on hold on picture and click here showing you QR code. Click on QR code, you will see your picture QR code is showing on your screen. If you want to copy link, so click on copy link. After click on copy link, you will see your picture is converted to copy link. If you want to share, click on share. So members is showing here. After share picture, go back to home screen. So that's how you can copy link or get QR code for previous quick share files on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.